Hi everyone, I'm Dhritika.
I am Zia.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Srishti, and this is the Beshram Show.
So, what exactly is the Besharam show?
The Besharam Show is nothing but the four of us coming together every week, talking, venting, just talking about our interests and just everything under the sun.
True.
बेसिकली ये सृष्टि के घर पर जो हम करते हैं एवरी वीक दिस इज जस्ट दैट बट विद अ फैंसी सेटअप
Yeah,
दैट्स इट
quite
Little
literally.
makeup, mics are
Yeah.
expensive, I think.
the headphones the lighting
Yeah.
fancy
True. So, since you guys don't know anything about us, this episode is basically for you to understand us and get to know us a little better, where the three of us will introduce the fourth person. And yeah,
maybe even say something an insider story that you all don't know
which we'll keep for the later episode,
Yeah.
just not
I just hope
yet.
this does not turn into a roast.
Yeah.
I swear.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
We should keep that one also for another episode.
Yes.
Stay tuned, guys.
बाद में.
बाद
Yeah.
में
बाद में.
बाद में करेंगे. Why don't you go first, Rish?
Me?
Yeah.
Yourself. Well, you will be introduced by the three of us, I guess.
Yeah.
yeah
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So, I
yeah.
think
when you think of Srishti, what do you think of?
for me, Srishti has always been this boss bitch
yes
who's always had her shit together no matter what.
yeah
When it comes to work, when it comes to studies, she always has everything. Everything's in tune. She's in
Yeah.
tune with herself, with her work. Everything is very proper when it comes to Srishti. And you know, one thing that I've noticed about her is that she's always right, even when you don't need her to be.
yeah
You don't need her to be right all the time. And you're like, bhai, nahi sunna tha ye.
बस एक बार गलती कर देना यार
Nahi sunna tha. So yeah, that's Srishti
I
for
think
me.
Srishti, always since I've known her, which has been God school. It's been over 10 years that I've known this woman, and not a second has gone without her being the most goal-oriented person that I have ever met. She has a goal at all times, and she will do anything and everything to meet it in, of course, the proper quantities. And
Yeah.
she's very, I adore that about her. She always has a goal in mind, and she'll work so hard to get it, and it's just so commendable the way she carries herself.
Yeah. So Srishti, for me, I know her since the 7th grade. Okay, we are in the same classes, and I remember there was an instant connection, like that, and we bonded over One Direction. Okay, so she had a One Direction bag, and I was obsessing over One Direction for the longest time, and that was the first conversation I had with her, and I knew she's my girl, my best friend. She's it. That's the bond we created, and it's still there. Like, we would still like vibe on One Direction songs, and like we would share each other memes and stuff also. So that's the connection that we built. And cut to, after all these years that I've spent time with her, and we've hung out, one very particular trait Srishti has is when she has to make a point, okay, when she's saying something and she strongly believes it, she has like a very, very particular stance, like she'll sit like that.
Oh,
She'll sit like that, and then she'll go like, so
She
listen.
really-
Her
Yeah.
hands are like that, and she'll squint her eyes and be like, so listen to me. Listen to me. And that is, and it's always like that. And it's annoying. Like, I'm listening to you. Why do you have that stance? Like, why you like that? Like,
but
I'm listening to you.
The advice is going to be fire
Yeah, yeah.
when she goes like,
Yeah, exactly.
listen, Zia,
Yeah.
you are wrong.
Yeah. When it's this, all of us are like, okay, no. Now,
yeah.
words of wisdom are coming, so shut up and just listen.
Yeah.
True.
That is Rushdie. Like, I'm
Very
covering
true.
like whatever both of these said. It's very
True,
true.
true.
You
Very
know
true.
that moment happened to me once in 7th standard when this was after a unit test, and I passed all my subjects out. I'm not a student that usually fails and
Yeah.
shit. I don't fail.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm very smart. No, actually, I'm not.
Bro,
I'm above average.
minute.
Sure.
That was no. You did not fail. It was a retest.
It was not a retest. No. It was the first unit test only. I never failed a retest. I failed this one Marathi test by half a mark. And I was distraught. Like, I was like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna tell my parents? This is going to be like the worst thing that will ever happen to me, ever, ever, ever. I'm crying in this one corner in the classroom. And so she just comes. At that time, we're not like
We
very
were
good
not
friends.
that close.
We were not close at all. But she comes up to me and she's like, yeah, what happened? I'm like, I failed Marathi and I don't know. I'm gonna tell my parents. I don't know what's gonna happen. Like they're gonna be so pissed at me, and I don't want to be giving retests with these like girls that failed, and I can't do this. I can't do this. And so she's like, listen, yeah, it's okay. First of all, stop crying. So like, did you do better in any of the other papers? And I was like, yeah, I got like 19 out of 20 in my history. So I think that was good. She's like, no, then just tell your mom that, you were focusing on history this time. And you forgot to focus on Marathi. I'm like, as like, it came from a good place in Srishti's heart. But the only thing I could think of at the time was, मेरे माँ बाप तो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का पैसा भर रहे हैं ना ट्यूशन में. तो ऐसे थोड़ी बोल सकती हूँ मैं मराठी पढ़ना भूल गई.
Yeah. But all that said and done, I think the one thing I remember so vividly about Srishti is that there was this one time, I don't think you were there with us, I think you were busy or something, and it was just the three of us, Dhritika, Srishti and I, and we'd gone to Marine Drive during the rains. And we made plans
I
of like,
remember.
getting wet in the rain and like hanging
The
out and
best
stuff.
part, it was so spontaneous.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was
yeah,
spontaneous.
yeah.
It was, and it was so much fun because
Yeah.
I remember we were sitting on Marine Drive and it
Yeah.
was like surrounded by couples on either sides of
Oh,
us.
God.
And it was just the three of us sitting and like, it's so much fun and all. And all these couples are like, having their time or whatever.
Yeah.
And then there was this one like guy selling roses. Okay, all these other couples were getting roses for their
Yeah.
partners or whatever.
Yeah.
Srishti gets up, goes to the rose guy, gets two of them for one for you and one for me. And I'm like,
That was very
that's
sweet.
That's
was
a
very
sweet
sweet.
friend right there. So yeah.
Oh.
I remember we had Kacha Kerry also.
Oh,
Did we?
yeah.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
probably.
And then do you guys remember we wouldn't get a cab back home because
Oh
it was
my
raining so
God.
much.
And even that
Thank God I
taxi
didn't
driver,
come.
The taxi
Yeah.
broke down in between, like on
On
the
the
bridge.
bridge.
On the bridge. On
Oh
the
God,
bridge.
yeah,
And then
yeah.
we went home walking.
yeah,
From
But that was one day. That was
that was
one
a
fun
good day. That was a
We
good
should
day.
keep making more spontaneous plans.
Why
like
haven't
that.
we gone there ever since?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
moving on. Should we move on to Dhritika?
Dhritika?
Should we? I don't know.
Our little
Shruti.
cutie.
A little
Yes.
cutie, a little
Dhritika-
soft girl.
Oh my god. She is very, very calm in every situation. Although she could come off as a little timid to like new people, like, okay, whatever. But like once like you have that bond with her, she will give you advice that will open your third eye.
True.
Like she will show you the world in a perspective that you would have never thought to see it. And like she'll be like, no, she'll take the situation, she'll turn it around like 360. She'll be like, aise dekh.
It's so unexpected.
It is so unexpected. But I mean, that all that aside, she's also sometimes a little because she's still obsessed to this day with a band that broke up 8 years ago.
Srishti, back me up.
No backing
won't
up.
get it.
One
They
Direction.
won't
She's-
get it.
She literally, she's still hoping for a reunion. नहीं होगा reunion, नहीं होगा. नहीं, तुम
होगा.
delusion में रह रहे हो.
होगा, reunion
कौन सा
होगा.
कब reunion?
Hoga.
Please, guys,
Yeah.
come on.
One Direction fans, please support me and
Yes.
Dhritika.
Hoga. Pray karo hoga to hoga.
Fine.
ठीक है भाई.
Alright, change my mind. I guess I'll read the comment.
Yeah. But yeah, like you said, she's such a softie and like a mush ball. She'll give you the best forehead kisses. Like if you're having a bad day, come to Dhritika for like the best forehead kisses because that's gonna turn your day around. But yeah, like all of that, but like you're still your own cock blocker. Like why do you do that to yourself? Why are you the way you are, Dhritika?
It's fine. We accept you.
But we
YOLO.
accept you the way
We
you are.
accept
I
you.
guess we have to now.
So Dhritika for me feels like home, honestly. Like it's like, you have a very long day, and just when you get home and you keep your bag down, it's the feeling I get when I hang out with Ritika. But
Yeah, I knew it.
She's not as seedy as she looks at all. At all. You might be thinking this is this very sweet, homely, nice, cultured kid. No. She has taught me a number of things which I never knew. Now I'm not gonna out her here right now. But like she has taught me so many bad things, bad words.
Stay tuned for the few episodes coming forth.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that too in 7th standard.
Srushti.
You did.
Wow.
Damn.
I didn't know anything in 7th standard, not gonna lie.
Literally, why did you know stuff in 7th?
I guess a lot of people do. We were just very slow. We're still very slow.
Yeah.
I think we should.
That's as close as we get.
Yeah.
Fist bumps only.
No forehead kisses during the episode.
Yeah, only from you.
Yeah.
I guess one really like funny memory I have with Ritika, it has to be that one time where we were walking back home from classes, and we live in this one lane,
Beautiful lane.
beautiful lane where there's a lot of cows out. Okay, the cows have just been like, actually ये घर हमारा है, आप
तुम बाड़े पे हो.
तुम्हारे पास. And this one cow must have shat like right in the middle of the footpath. And pehle hi the footpath is so tiny that this cow shit had legit covered the entirety of the footpath.
Also, guys, there's no light. So you can't see. Okay, you can't see.
And I'm walking, and we can see like there's a pile of cow shit from a distance, and we're both walking to it, and we're like, Jatika, we gotta like not slip in that, and we're like, yeah, we won't. We see this guy walk forward. He's in his own dhun. He's like, na, 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 da, 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 da. Didn't see the cow shit. Slipped in it. And we're a little afar to help him. So, of course, we did not help him. But we were trying to hold in a laughter. Like,
Yeah.
no, we cannot laugh. We cannot laugh. It's not possible. We cannot laugh. He'll help himself. He ends up helping himself by the time we reach the puddle. And poor man, bless his heart. He gets up, walks like 2 steps. The puddle's not over yet. He bichara falls again in the same shit. And by now he's covered front, back, upar, niche. All of it. It's all cow shit.
Yeah, dude.
And at that time we both just lost it. We just started
Bro,
laughing.
we couldn't
We were
control. We can see him struggling and we're just like. It was so embarrassing, but so funny.
so funny.
Yeah, I think we've also shared a very similar story on like bursting out laughing at someone.
Yeah.
I don't know if you remember this, but right on the day that we got our 10th results, my parents had these 2 free tickets to go to this Indian musical
Yeah.
event. Okay.
Yeah.
And Zritika and I, we really appreciate Indian classical music.
Yes.
Okay, we really
And
really
dance.
love it. Music and dance,
Yeah.
yeah. Or so we thought. Okay, so we thought. We end up going to this event, and so we're on the second row, okay, and like right in front of the stage, bang opposite the artists. We're sitting over there, and the event starts, and we're hoping for it to get better. We're like, okay, I mean, abhi chalu ho jayega, abhi chalu hua nahi hai.
practice चल रहा
ये
है.
practice ही है.
ये practice ही है.
And this guy starts singing so. Okay, I'm not going to say badly.
Yeah.
That's a form of art.
Yeah.
But bro, I couldn't. We both
weren't
were
expecting
pinching each other to stop laughing. We were like, nahi Ritika, nahi has sakte. And then my mom is at my side, and she's like, y'all either stay in here, hold your shit
Or
together,
leave.
or leave, laugh, and come back. And I'm like, okay, got it, mom. Not gonna laugh.
That was so bad.
And then in
Wait,
the
so
break,
you guys thought it was practice, but that was the performance.
yes,
Oh, no.
yes.
We were sitting casually saying, "Ab shuru ho jayega, practice kar rahe hain,"
Yeah.
and we came to know that that is the actual performance.
The performance had started.
Yeah. Oh god.
And then in the break, we went out, we laughed.
We laugh like mad people do.
We got everything out of our system,
Yeah.
and we came back. And
And it was dance later.
It was
We
dance
enjoyed
later,
that.
and it was really nice.
Yeah.
The dance was
but
nice.
the sad part was you had to sit piche for the dance.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah,
So
But
I
that
have-
day was
that day was
amazing.
so good.
Amazing.
Oh God, I have one more great story with Ritika. So like my parents trust her a lot, okay?
Right.
Like they can let me go anywhere with her. So then I was like, I want to go Lal Bagh Cha Raja. So I wanted to go Lal Bagh Cha Raja, Chintamani and everything. And then my dad said, okay, I'll make the arrangements for you. You will like go properly and stuff. I have contacts. I will make sure you get a good darshan and stuff. So Dhritika was like, can I come? Can I come? I said, yeah, okay, fine, come. And Dhritika was there and Sanjana was there.
Yeah.
I took them and we are getting Chintamani's darshan. And so they thought, like, the people over there, they of course knew my dad and they treated us very well. Thank you, guys. So they treated us very well. And like, so we went through like a VIP line and stuff, and very nice darshan happened, and they gave us garlands and stuff. It was great. And then suddenly there were like people, normal people in the line waiting, who thought we are celebrities.
Oh yeah.
Oh damn.
Who thought we were like some Maharashtrian, who thought I was some Maharashtrian celebrity. And then they wanted to click selfies. So we were walking and they're clicking pictures, and this one is posing.
It probably was the two of y'all celebrities. I thought definitely was not one of that.
Her chappal got stolen that day.
I had to come barefoot from Lal Bagh to my home.
No. You stole someone else's chappal.
Oh yeah, I did steal someone else's chappal. It was so bad.
That is so Sanjana of you.
Dude,
Sanjana.
you know, that was a really nice pair of footwear that I lost.
Bro, we were looking around everywhere. Her mom, I, Srushti, we were all like, Chandana ka chappal, Chandana ka chappal.
And I was such a nice outfit, and then I had rubber chappals on my way back home. Dude, one day.
Oh God. One day you will steal a good pair of chappal.
Yeah,
I will.
From a Ganpati darshan.
Yes, I will.
That is what you will do. So yeah, I did not know you were a Marathi celebrity. Nice
Yeah,
to
Srushti.
meet you.
What the hell?
What?
बाद में selfie लेंगे.
Thank you.
I actually have quite a few with you. I don't need any more.
Yeah.
फिर Dhritika आके ऐसा pose करेंगे.
I'll photo bomb.
But that's what.
It's insane how she stole those chappals, because I was like, when I was thinking of to describe like Sanjana,
Oh,
first thing that came to my mind, resourceful. Extremely
Literally.
resourceful. Like,
so true.
if she needs to start something, she's not like, अरे ये चाहिए नहीं. जो है
उससे काम चलाओ.
उससे काम चलेगा.
मैं चलाएगी.
And I think
So
that's
true.
extremely nice trait to have.
Yeah.
Just like I wish I was like you. And
You wish.
Besides that, I also think that any party that you go with Sanjana with, she is the life of it.
Yes.
It
True.
doesn't matter how big of an extrovert you are.
Yeah.
She is going to get
Or
all
an
the
introvert.
attention. Or an introvert. Somehow she will grasp everybody's attention. There is not
Yeah.
one dull moment with her.
Yeah.
Not one. Whether you go to a party, whether you don't. But especially at a party, she's always the life of it.
True. I remember this one time. We were at a party, and I think Sanjana had just gotten done crying.
Uh-huh.
You remember? She was
Valid.
She had just gotten
Yeah.
done crying, and there's Channa Meria playing, okay? There's Channa Meria playing. You expect Sanjana, who cried half an hour ago, to be like Channa Meria? No. She's twerking.
She's twerking on Channa Meria.
Why
I
wouldn't I
would've
twerk at
passed her.
Channa Meria?
I
Like,
wouldn't
why
put it
wouldn't
past
I?
her.
She's
I
twerking.
really wouldn't put it past her.
Yeah.
God.
But why
Val,
wouldn't
do you have a
I?
video of that?
I wish I did.
Oh my
bro.
God.
I wish I
Y'all were
did.
too busy having fun with
Yeah.
me. Why would I,
I
take a
wasn't
video?
there. checking her
I
out.
wasn't there.
You
I was
weren't?
too busy checking her out. So
I wasn't. Pretty sure I wasn't.
But like Sanjana for me is like smart as hell, but dumb as shit.
oh my god,
as shit, bro.
that's so well put. That is so well
Like
put.
she's so fucking smart. Like straight A's in her report card.
Yeah.
Always.
Mom and dad?
Like if you give her a paragraph to read and you ask any word, anything from in between, she will literally narrate the entire paragraph to you
Yeah.
as it is.
Yeah.
She's that smart. But like again, if you ask her basic, normal, common sense stuff, she's like,
अरे
ये तो नहीं था इसमें, ये तो नहीं पढ़ा.
I know, she's very book
Hey, ऐसा
smart,
करना होता है
zero
क्या?
street smart.
Hey, come on, zero. I am not zero, okay? Fuck
she's
you.
grown. She's grown. She's grown.
I have
but-
evolved.
पहले तो denial.
One more thing, she's like this one smarty pants. She is so picky. मतलब हर चीज के लिए मुझे ना ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, फिर इसके अंदर ये ऐसा चाहिए, फिर ये ऐसा भी होना चाहिए. And then when it comes to her, she like ऐसा तो नहीं मांगा था मैंने. ये ऐसा
I
क्यों आ
basically
गया?
am very picky, but I always end up choosing the wrong thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Picky है but
exactly.
गलत choice है. मतलब ये
know.
क्या है?
I love
I mean,
that
you
from
know what the worst choices you make are with?
my friends, the
Funny.
three of y'all.
Oh my god.
That's why we're sitting in
It's when
recording this podcast.
It is when she is eating. There's this really cute story that I need everybody to know. Very, very cute. You know, we went to Gateway and everything. It is damn cute. We are at Srishti's house like we always are. And she comes back from college. She's like, bahut bhook lagi. And Sashi and I, we called for like some chips for us. But then, of course, Sanjana saw them. So she started fisting them. She's like, wow.
Yeah.
Sanjana,
She's
that's how she
inhaling. She's
I
not
was
even
hungry.
chewing it at this point, okay? And she ate, and then Sushi and I like, इसने हमारा सारा खाना खा लिया. So we made something in the air fryer. I don't remember.
Potato cheese shots.
Yeah, and then she ate those also.
All of
Even
them.
our half. Even our half. We were like, ठीक है चलो. At least we'll go out on a drive. We'll have a good time today. We go to Gateway. At this point, she's eaten so much food that she's in the back of the car. And she's like, guys, I don't feel good. And we're like, अच्छा थक गई होगी college से सीधा आई है. And then Dhritika was not there.
I was
Yeah,
there.
she
Yeah.
wasn't there.
And she's just sitting. She's like, no, guys, I don't feel good. So she's parking the car. And we walk towards Gateway. And so she parks the car, comes back. And she's, you know, it looks really good. Radio Club is like all decked up. And
There was some shadi happening.
Yeah, I
she's
remember.
taking a video of this scene.
I was
And-
taking a video.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, take me also. And this is caught on video. Sanjana just goes in the video. She's like, guys, I don't. Pukes at the stone wall at Gateway, like it's all in the ocean. God. Disgusting. And she didn't stop there. She like once the video is over, she's like, okay, no, I feel good now. She starts puking again.
I thought I
And
felt
was
good.
like, Srushti, you better record this shit. You better record this.
Zia, poor Zia, she's out there holding her head, patting her back, and I'm like, this is so much fun.
That's always
I love
Srishti.
this.
That's always Srishti.
No,
All
no.
these memories, she always recorded.
I know. But I was also laughing at that point. I was holding her head.
Yeah,
and
no
everything, but I
shit,
was
you were laughing.
Because it was funny.
And I was trying
Sanjana,
to breathe.
Who eats this much?
Me, you know it.
Exactly.
Can we do this again? I really want to see it.
You want to recreate me dying?
Yeah, a little bit. Thodu, please.
ठीक है भाई ये भी कर लेंगे Oh my god. But yeah, let's talk about Zia, the most confident person that I know of.
Saving the best for last.
She.
No.
Why are you the way you are? Anyway. So yeah, I think Zia has been herself always. Like I don't know a moment when she's never been herself. Right from school.
Yeah.
Like probably a little bit better now. No, definitely much more better now.
Much
but
better.
like
I was ass in school, bro.
no, but like I mean, I've always known. I've known you from like the 5th grade. We've been in the same class, in the same standard, like from the 5th grade.
Yeah.
We've been in the same class, and then I've known you for like quite some time now, and you've always been yourself, and that's something I love about you because you've never not been that. You know, but like the only character flaw I think that she has is that she laughs at the wrong moment. And it makes it worse if she has a beverage in her mouth.
Oh god.
It's never in her mouth.
Yeah.
It's always out.
On
and
her.
on people's faces. And that person is me.
Always.
Always. I'm always opposite her, even now. And it's always on
In
me.
my defense, these people,
No.
I feel
There is
They
no
make-
difference.
There is no defense.
they
There
make
is-
me laugh when I'm drinking water. This is not my fault.
So you want us to apologize for being funny? Is that what you're saying?
You're not funny.
No, why do you
Then
laugh?
why do you
It's
laugh?
your face.
I'll take that.
She just said you look like a clown.
I'll take that.
She'll take it.
Yeah.
She believes
Valid.
that she is.
Yeah.
That's valid.
Cute.
Value.
Rizal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you all think about?
So about Zia is loud.
True.
Very descriptive. It's just
Loud,
one word,
just
but it's very
Loud.
descriptive.
Her okay, so she's loud in every way possible. Her style, makeup, choices, voice. Very, very, very loud. If there's Zia in the room, if there's Zia in the city, you'll know. Zia's back in the
Zia
city.
doesn't even need to be in the room for you to hear her.
Very loud.
I know.
Yeah.
Very
I
loud
would
in
take that as
every-
a compliment.
You should. And everywhere. And Zia मतलब ऐसे है ना कि ऐसा बैकग्राउंड इतना लाउड है ना कि अभी वो बैकग्राउंड नॉइज जैसा है उसका ऐसा आदत हो गया है बट
Yeah.
इट्स लाइक दैट बैकग्राउंड नॉइज दैट यू कांट शट इट ऑफ बट लाइक यू नीड इट नहीं तो फिर
Yeah.
बहुत सन्नाटा हो जाता है
She's like that TV noise that you need when you're doing your shit, you know? But like
It's
in
like,
a nice way.
हम लोग घर पे रहते हैं ना तो फिर मतलब बैकग्राउंड में टीवी चालू रहना चाहिए
You know what I dare these three to do? These three that I call my best friend. Say one nice thing about me.
One nice
Okay,
thing.
I'll go. So I know Zia since 9th, okay?
Yeah.
And if I see Zia in JC and if I see Zia now,
Junior college for
yeah,
people.
junior college, they're completely different people.
Yeah.
They're completely different people. Like Shrishti said, the way of her dressing, her makeup, expressing herself, standing up for herself. That was not this that you see right now was not Zia when she just entered college. And I am so proud of what she's become. Like I love Zia now. I loved her back then. I
Yeah.
loved her back then.
Yeah.
But like I've just loved how Zia's grown through all these years, and it's so evident and so visible. If you knew her back then, you'd be like, bro, she's had a major glow up, and I love you.
since I've said like
Only love her.
since that यही करती है तू इसके लिए बैकग्राउंड नॉइज बोला तेरे को मैंने
Valid.
since I said only mean things about her, I was going to share a very cute story where I like understood and I always knew that she is there for me. But like that day, you know, when you realize that कि मतलब है यार कोई तो कभी भी तो there was this one night around 2 or 3 a.m. I was not feeling myself. I was having a very bad day. And it was just a bad day. I was very overwhelmed. There was a lot of things on my mind. And I just text Zia, hi, are you free right now to speak? She calls me up. It's 3 in the night.
Aww.
She calls me up. She's like, what's wrong? Are you okay? Are you fine? Did you take your medicines? And I'm like, I love her so much. I love her so much. She's absolutely like you need a friend like Zia in your life.
You
to
do.
To be very honest.
You do.
I am very grateful each and every day to have her as my best
But
friend.
I'll tell you why you don't need her as a friend as well. I'll tell you.
Yalla.
So this one time, we were at Shrishti's, okay? And Zia wanted coffee, like she always does. She's like, coffee chahiye, coffee chahiye.
Iced coffee filter, iced coffee.
Iced
please,
coffee
please,
filter.
please.
ठीक है? And she said, I'll make a nice coffee, okay? So she was making and Shrishti was helping her in the kitchen. Yeah. It's Shrishti's house, okay? So Shrishti knows the house better, no? She knows what's working and what's not. So she was going to use the mixie, okay, to blend the coffee. And Shrishti, before even Zia touched the blender, Shrishti very evidently and very clearly she said, Zia, do not use the mixie. It's not working properly. It might explode.
She
It
said,
literally might
no. She
explode.
said it's too strong. Don't fill it to the top.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I
Yeah.
did fill it to the top.
And we both, Zia and I were both like, चलेगा
चलेगा
यार
यार।
क्या ही होगा
ये मैंने अपने घर पे भी किया हुआ है। इसने बोला नहीं मेरा मिक्सर अलग है. It's very strong.
Don't listen to me. Listen to me. Zia, being the bitch that she is, she didn't listen. She filled it ऊपर तक का पूरा भर के ढक्कन बंद किया और मिक्सी चालू किया. पूरा कॉफी किचन में फैल गया. It's on her clothes. It's on Shrishti's clothes. It's on the floor. It's on the
ceiling and floor
ceiling and the floor. It's on the wall. It's everywhere.
it's everywhere but the blender and in our stomach it is
And
on
this-
Zia
It's so sad because there's
Yeah.
a video of it.
Yeah,
I have the video of it.
There's a video.
Yeah, we
There
have
is a
Not of
proof
it happening.
The-
of it,
the aftermath.
the aftermath
The
yeah
aftermath. Yeah.
And whilst that process, Sanjana is like, my beige cargo
My
pants.
beige cargo.
There was
That
coffee
remember-
Sanjana's
beige
concern.
cargo pants dude it doesn't come off
Dude, but I remember
It
that
did
time
come off.
whatever t-shirt I was wearing, I asked Sushi, like, Sushi, I can't go home like this. Can you just give me something else to wear? And I shit you not, I got that t-shirt that I was wearing, that graphic t-shirt, maybe like 4 or 5 months back. I asked her so many times, Sushi, you should go shopping. Just get something for yourself. I don't go shopping as much as you do. I really like that t-shirt. Please just give it to me. Give it back. Please, like, let me at least wear it once and I'll give it back to you. She took, how long did you take to give me that back? I got it back. But yeah.
So there's this thing. I find Zia's clothes very comfortable, and if she, if she lets me borrow any of her t-shirts, I never give them back.
Yeah,
I have so many of her t-shirts. By the way, that grey top, full sleeves.
You, you know, Sushti will go to Zara every weekend and she'll get this like छोटे छोटे tops, you know 2000 रुपए का इतना छोटा top लाएगी, फिर भी उसको मेरा कोलाबा का 300 रुपए वाला पहनना है, वो वही पहन कर बाहर जाएगी.
कंफर्टेबल होते हैं यार.
तो तू भी ले लेना, तू भी ले ले, किसी ने मना किया है तुझे?
But I think if that hasn't given people the idea of what your relationship with food is, I think I have a story for that.
My relationship with
Yes.
food? अच्छा बताओ जरा.
So this was back in 2019, and the four of us had made plans for the New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
Okay, and it was just gonna be the four of us. We were like, let's go to this mall.
L story.
But it's so important.
It really
Yeah.
is.
So we decided to go to this mall where we thought would be like really happening. There would be things to do and all of that. Cut to us reaching there, and this place was so dead.
Yeah,
there
it
was
was so
nothing to
dead,
eat,
very dead.
nothing
So
to do,
dead.
nothing to check out, nothing even around that place.
Yeah.
And to make it worse, Srishti got a friend that none of us liked back
I
then.
also don't like
Still
the
don't
friend
like
anymore.
them now.
Now you don't like them, but we didn't like them from the get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, I should have
Anyway.
listened to y'all back then.
Yeah, you should have. You should have done a lot of things.
Now
but you didn't.
I feel like we all four of us now we listen to each other.
We listen to each
Yeah.
other.
True.
It has really improved the quality
Yeah.
of each of our lives.
Yeah, genuinely. Anyway, getting back. So we were trying to go throughout the day and trying to search for things to do and
Yeah.
entertain ourselves because it was New Year's Eve and there was
Yeah.
one day when we were 15 we got permission to go out
To go out. On 31st.
on 31st. And just nothing is happening. We're getting hangry. Zia is getting hangrier.
Yeah.
And
She's the hangriest.
She's
at
the
this point.
hangriest
Yeah,
at
yeah,
this
yeah.
point.
Yeah.
And to top it off, I had forgotten about a prior commitment that I had made, which I couldn't bail out on.
The original plan was we go to this mall,
Yeah.
we go bowling, whatever, some random friend also shows up.
And then we were planning on
And
ending
then-
the night at Zia's place for dinner.
Yeah, like order pizza, chill, and then
Yeah,
leave
just
for
have a
home.
chill day.
Yeah.
So then I had to leave. And I was shitting my pants to tell Zia that, you know what, cancel karna padega. We'll have to cut it short. And so yeah, I was just shitting my pants. And then I told it to Srishti. I'm like, Srishti, thoda scene ho gaya hai. I can't come anymore. And she was like, I'm fine. You tell it to Zia. I anyhow mustered up the courage to tell this to Zia, and Zia loses her mind. She started cussing at me with all the bad words she knew at 15.
I didn't even
At
know
15,
any
yeah.
bad words.
And I was still shitting my pants.
Whatever I knew, I was just saying. I didn't
Yeah.
even make any sense.
But
This
you
is
still said a lot.
This is near the escalator. Like people are watching.
people are watching
Yeah.
us. We anyways move out. We get to the cab. Zia gets in the cab and has a dramatic exit. And she leaves. And all three of us are just like,
What do we do
guys, friendship still is there or no?
Should
Oh no!
Should we delete the WhatsApp group now? What to do?
The WhatsApp group.
I think we did, yeah.
Instagram,
Instagram
definitely.
group.
Huh.
Whatever. I was like, delete
Delete.
or keep.
Delete.
Don't know. So, yeah.
How did
But
it make
yeah.
up though?
I think it was a couple
was-
of weeks after that where things
No, it
fizzled
was
out.
directly lockdown and we
No,
got on
no,
a video
It
call.
was it was not lockdown. It was before that, I remember.
I remember the lockdown
Video
video
call.
calls as well. Yeah.
And then I think
कुछ
I
नहीं किया
have
था
zero recollection of that.
Bro, no, I remember she was
Zero.
fussing over. She's like, guys, video call नहीं करना है, normal call करते
I
हैं ना.
still don't like video calls.
See?
Yeah, because she was not being able to handle the what do you say user interface of that app. So we did a
How dumb do you think I am?
अरे hangout पे किया था
Very.
हमने. तभी पता है हाउस पार्टी करके आता था लॉकडाउन के
Oh
टाइम पे.
God.
वैसा
I
कुछ
did not
था
like it.
हाउस पार्टी
I
पे था.
liked it, but then my sister was like, "Listen, these people are like, stealing your data and shit." And I was like, My data as a 16-year-old girl who's doing nothing wrong? I cannot have this. So I deleted the app.
Nice.
Yeah.
So guys, we're at the end of our first episode.
Episode khatam ho gaya?
Huh?
No, man, it's just the end of part 1.
So tune in to the part 2 of our first episode where we answer some random, problematic, juicy questions that we are not aware of yet. And we're going to see. One thing I can promise you for sure is that it's going to be extremely chaotic. So
Yes.
hit that subscribe button and drop a like while you're at
And
it.
also comment down below what you'd like to see next.
And we
Yes.
will catch you in part 2.
Bye.